Amazon, the largest forest in the world, so big that it will take you 860 days to go from one end to the other, i.e., a full 2.5 years. On the surface, this forest looks as beautiful as it looks from the inside. It is so dangerous that even a small ant is enough to kill you. In this 50-million-year-old forest, there are many types of plants and animals. It is believed that 20% of the world's oxygen is obtained from here. That's why it's also called the Earth's phèfre. This forest, spread in a total of 60 million square kilometers, covers 40% of the South American continent. This area is so big that it can contain 2 countries like India, 7 countries like Pakistan, 17 countries like Britain, and 1,300 cities like Dubai. This forest is home to the most diverse animals in the world. Here you will find beautiful macaws, caimans, and small monkeys, which is the specialty of this forest. Apart from this, the most popular fish of the world here, and the heavy snake anaconda, the most venomous frog and the most dangerous hunter of this forest. Jaguar will be found, but in this forest there are not only trees and animals, but along with them, there are big grass fields, high mountains, dangerous flowing streams, and vast mangroves. Today you will know such a surprising truth about this desolate forest which you may have never heard before. So friends, today we will go on a mysterious and dangerous journey in which you will face such creatures whose being small or big does not matter. They have only one purpose: to kill you and fill their stomach. First of all, let's know why the name of this forest is Amazon. The name of this forest is Amazon was named by Francisco de Orellana, who was the first European to reach this area. In ancient Greek stories, we get the description of the lyrical women who used to roam around the high seas. These women were called Amazon. Hence, the name of this forest was named Amazon. The 3rd largest rainforest in the world is Australasia. The 2nd largest rainforest in the world is Congo. And the largest rainforest in the world is Amazon, about which we are talking. Now, this forest is full of rubber trees. It passes through 9 countries, 60%, Brazil, 13%, Peru, 10%, Colombia, and the French count it in 1999. A monkey was found who meows like a cat. The name of this monkey is Cakatatiti monkey. This forest is home to more than 30 million people. The population of 10% of the animals on Earth is found here in this forest, full of diversity. 40,000 species of plants, 3,000 species of fish, 1,300 species of birds, 430 species of reptiles, 380 species of snakes, and about 25 lakh species of insects are found in this forest. This forest is home to 500 indigenous species, of which 50 species have never seen any other human. There are 390 billion trees in this forest, whose leaves are spread so much that only 1% of the sunlight reaches the ground, due to which even during the day it is dark here. The leaves are so thick that after 10 minutes of rain, the water coming from the trees reaches the ground. Here everything is happening on its own. Its ecosystem is so big that it has its own different climate. If a person does not interfere in this forest, then the plants and animals found in this forest can continue to flourish for thousands of years. Amazon River flows from the north of this rainforest, a network of hundreds of waterways which is spread over 6,840 kilometers. Although there is a difference in scientists about it, but most scientists believe that after the Blue River, this is the 2nd longest river in the world. And according to Holding the Water, this is the largest river in the world. This river is home to many attractive and dangerous creatures, in which electric eel, meat-eating piranhas, poisonous dart frogs, and some very poisonous snakes are included. But despite this, in 2007, a man named Martin Estrell had crossed this river. It was not easy to cross the river from such dangerous creatures. The dangerous animals found in it could finish Martin Estrell in a minute. So how did they escape from these animals? Listen, for this, their team always walked with them. Despite swimming for 10 hours every day, it took them 66 days to cross this river. It is said that this river used to fall in the Prasanth Mahasagar. But after the formation of the Andes mountain range, its flow changed, and it began to fall in the Atlantic Ocean. By the way, there are so many species of animals here that you will see a new species in every corner. But now I am going to tell you about some such animals. which have become very famous due to their unique features. And these animals rule this jungle. This fish is most liked by humans to eat. Its teeth are razor blade. Also, its jaw is very strong. It attacks so fast that in 3 minutes a 50-pound dog can disappear. Amazonian poisonous frog. Or as beautiful as a small frog looks, it is also dangerous. It has so much venom that it can kill 1, 7, 10 people. This is the reason that it is among the most poisonous creatures in the world. Green anaconda. One of the largest and heaviest snakes in the world. It is not a snake or snake poisonous, but it is so big and powerful that it can kill animals like snakes and camels by wrapping bullet ant. This ant is known for its extremely painful bite. Its bite can be as painful as a gunshot, which lasts for 24 hours. This is the reason that its bite is considered to be the most painful bite in the world. Jaguar. Its powerful muscles and sharp speed makes it the most dangerous hunter on Amazon. This is from capybara to camels. It can easily hunt everyone. Apart from this, there are many poisonous snakes here. Otters, capybara, many beautiful and dangerous fish, pink river, dolphin spiral monkey, and there are many other animals like happy kegel. Once again, how big is this jungle? You can guess from this. It transpires 7 trillion tons of water every year. It absorbs 7 billion tons of carbon dioxide every year, which is 5% of the global oxygen. This jungle has 140 billion tons of carbon, which plays an important role in preventing climate change. This is found in 10% of the world's animals, and it produces 20% of oxygen alone. Oxygen is obtained from Amazon. We all know this, but along with this, many important medicines from Amazon, food materials, wood and rubber is found in large quantities. But all this will not last long, because by 2060, this jungle will be completely destroyed. The biggest reason for this is agriculture. Farming on a large scale, deforestation of natural resources, development of agricultural land, and climate change. Due to the fire in 2019, 9,006,000 hectares of forest was turned into ashes. This fire through Silesian burn agriculture. The local inhabitants of the same place had started. Silesian burn agriculture is an old method of agriculture in which the forests are cut and set on fire so that the land can be made fertile. In this regard, every second, 1.5 acres of forest is being cleared. This has led to the fact that within a few years, Amazon's 20% share has become forest-free. And if the cutting of plants does not stop, then by 2030, 27% of Amazon will disappear.